In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. We will feature model GPW1800. However, this guide can also be followed for model GPW2000-1. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual, along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Finish removing the packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Keep the box and the packing material until you've operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the wheels. Insert the axle through the hole in the center of the wheel. Slide the axle into the wheel mounting hole. Place a washer on the axle and secure it with the cotter pin. Repeat on the opposite side and return the unit to the upright position. Installing the spray tip panel. Position the handle so the open ends are curving down. Align the spray tip panel on the left side of the handle. Flip the handle over so the panel is facing down. Insert the screws through the back side of the handle and tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the gun holder. Insert the threaded sleeves of the gun holder into the handle. Using 2 of the fine threaded screws, secure the gun holder from the back side of the handle. Installing the power cord storage arm. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on the side of the upper handle near the spray tip panel. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With a washer on the screw, thread the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the handle. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle arms. Push and hold the lock buttons on the sides of the handle and slide the upper handle into the lower handle until the lock buttons click into place. Hang the cord on the power cord storage arm. Install the Velcro hose strap. Attach the Velcro hose strap to the upper handle as shown. Wrap the strap around the hose and secure it. Installing the wand. Push the end of the wand into the opening at the end of the spray gun and rotate the wand to secure the tabs in position. Place the gun into the gun holder. If you have model GPW2000-1, your unit will have a metal wand. Remove the plastic protective cap. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Unpack the nozzle and store it in a safe location until you are ready to use it. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.